Welcome to Maldives, a group of small islands floating in the Indian Ocean. The sea is a place where calm water meets with soft sand, and every corner is filled with wonder. Today, we will take you on a peaceful adventure across this tropical piece of paradise located in the earth. Our journey starts in Malé, the busy capital. Malé is a small city but full of life. As we walk through its street, you see colorful buildings, busy market, and the sound of everyday life. The streets are filled with the smell of fresh fish, spices, and the ocean breeze. Not far from Malé is Hulu Malé, a new island built from the sea. This is a modern space designed to grow with the country. You will see wide streets, green parks, and a fresh energy that makes new ideas with island charm. We arrive at Vellana International Airport, the main gateway to the Maldives. This airport welcomes visitors from around the world. From here, you will take a short flight or boat ride to some of the most beautiful islands on earth. Beyond the beaches, the Maldives is rich in culture. In the evening, you can watch traditional Bondu Bori drumming, a powerful beat that has been passed down for generations. You can also visit local families who lovingly cook traditional dishes like masuni, a mix of tuna, coconut, and chili that tell the stories of their island lifestyle. Below the waves, another world waits. The Maldives is famous for its coral reefs, where every dive reveals a rainbow of fish. Sea turtles and even playful dolphins, snorkeling here is like stepping into a dream, where the sea is alive with color and momentum. As the day ends, the islands become quiet. Bathed in a golden light, each small island has its own world, a peaceful escape where time slows down. Here, every moment is a chance to breathe, to explore, and to dream. As the sun sets over the ocean, we leave the Maldives with calm heart. It is a place which we will always remember where adventure and peace complete together.